Welcome to my channel, Fluent English Tales. I begin with a soft breath and a heavy heart. This story is for the quiet ones who listen more than speak. Some people enter a room like a bright light, others enter like a gentle shadow on the wall. The shadow feels small, but it still exists and still matters. A shy person often feels the world is too loud. Every sound feels sharp and every look feels deep. Inside, the heart beats fast and careful at the same time. Silence is not empty for shy people. It is full of thoughts, feelings, and hidden questions. It is a place where ideas grow slowly and safely. Many shy people learn to smile without words. They nod, they listen, they wait for the right moment. Often, that moment feels like it never comes. Fear sits quietly beside them like an old friend. It whispers about mistakes and strange looks. It says it is safer to stay unseen. In school, shy people choose the back seat. They hope the teacher will not call their name. Their hands stay still even when they know the answer. When others laugh loudly, shy people wonder why. They think about every word before it leaves the mouth. They feel tired after small talk and long days. A shy heart feels deeply, sometimes too deeply. A simple comment can stay for many nights. A small kindness can shine for many years. People often think shy means weak or broken. They do not see the strong mind behind the eyes. They do not hear the brave voice waiting inside. Shy people learn the art of watching. They notice small changes in faces and moods. They understand feelings without many words. At parties, shy people stand near the wall. They hold a drink just to hold something. They count minutes and watch doors quietly. Their mind travels far while the body stays still. They imagine better moments and kinder places. They dream of speaking without fear. Sometimes shame arrives without reason. The heart asks why it is not like others. The mind answers with silence and doubt. But inside that silence lives a quiet strength. It grows slowly, like roots under the ground. It waits for time, not for noise. A shy person may fall many times inside. They replay moments again and again. They wish they could disappear or start over. Yet each morning, they still wake up. They still try even when tired and afraid. This is a kind of courage few people see. Being shy means choosing words with care. It means listening before speaking. It means feeling the weight of every moment. Some days feel heavy like a dark cloud. The world seems too fast and too sharp. The shy heart wants to hide and rest. Other days bring small light and calm air. A kind smile from a stranger can help. A peaceful walk can heal the mind. Shy people often love deeply and truly. They give time, attention, and patience. Their care is quiet but very real. They may not fight loudly for space. They wait, they observe, they prepare. When they move with purpose. In work or life, they doubt their value. They think others are always better or faster, but slow steps can still reach far places. A shy voice may shake at first. The words may come out soft and unsure. Still, the voice carries truth and meaning. When shy people finally speak, it matters. Their words are shaped by thought and care. They do not waste them on empty noise. The world needs listeners as much as talkers. It needs calm hearts in loud times. It needs gentle minds to balance strong ones. Shy people carry stories inside their chest, stories of fear, hope, and quiet dreams. These stories are rich and full of life. Sometimes, the shy heart surprises itself. It speaks up when it really counts. In that moment, fear steps back a little. Confidence does not always shout or shine. Sometimes it whispers and walks slowly. Sometimes it grows in silence. A shy person learns that fear is not an enemy. It is a sign of care and deep feeling. It shows that something matters. Strength does not always look brave or bold. It can look like showing up again. It can look like staying kind. Shy people often blame themselves too much. They forget how hard they try each day. They forget to see their own progress. Even small steps are still steps forward. Even quiet days can build strong paths. Time respects patience more than speed. A shy heart does not need to change its nature. It only needs to trust itself more. It needs space to grow, not pressure. The world may never slow down fully. Noise may always exist around us, but calm can live inside. Shy people learn to choose safe places. They build inner rooms of peace. They return there when the world feels heavy. Over time, fear loses some of its power. It still comes, but it no longer rules. The heart learns how to stand. Being shy is not a problem to fix. It is a way of being in the world. It carries its own wisdom. One day the shy person looks back. They see how far they have come. They feel quiet pride instead of shame. The world may not notice this change, but the heart knows it is real. That is enough. In silence, shy people find truth. In patience, they find strength. In kindness, they find their voice. And in their own gentle way, they learn that they were never weak. They were always strong, just quietly so.